Before I do this last song, I want to go down memory lane to when I was 3 years old. My father was a Church of God preacher. He'd take me with him all over the state of Mississippi, doing revivals in various churches. And every night before my daddy would preach, he would pick my tiny body up. He'd stand me up on top of the altar and he'd say, "Paul Wayne, sing a song before I preach tonight, boy." I sing songs like "I'll Fly Away" and "I Saw the Light." That's where I got my musical training. Without those precious memories, I wouldn't be here tonight. Most of the revivals we did was held in regular churches with solid wall structures. But every once in a while, we did something called a tent revival. Have y'all ever heard of a tent revival? That was my favorite type revival as a child. So now that I'm a grown man, every time I see a tent on the side of the road, I ask myself, I say, "Paul, is this a tent revival or a fireworks stand?" Because they used the same kind of tent in 2006 for both activities. So I made up a song about a black preacher who quits his church and he starts selling firecrackers on the side of the road. He still loves the Lord and he wants to tell people about Jesus, but he does it at the Mission Temple fireworks stand. How many of y'all tonight wants to have an old-fashioned revival up here on this ship tonight? I do believe that the Spirit of the Lord can fall down if some of you would just get off your ass and come on up here and dance and have a good time and lift up the name of the Holy Spirit tonight. You one thing, I'll be a human bottle rocket, and I'll go out with a bang. I'll leave this Holy Ghost, Big Bang Theory, Pentecostal, fire and brimstone, Mission Temple fireworks stand. Yeah, I leave this Holy Ghost, Big Bang Theory, Pentecostal, fire and brimstone, Mission Temple fireworks. Kevin Perkins on the drums. Sue Hearn on lead guitar. Dr. Love on the keyboard. Paul Thorn doing what he can. Good night, everybody.